Hello, welcome back to this channel. I'm going to show you how to upload 60-second YouTube video. Now let's start. Let's go to YouTube. Click on YouTube. Okay, now click on this plus icon here. Now create a short video. Click on create a short video. Okay, now you can see here in this, you can see here 15 and 60. 15 and 60. In this way you can change to 60-second video. Now click on the video you want to upload. Click here and place the video you want to put in to 60-second. Okay, now I'll put this video. And drag this up to which clip you want to put the clip. In this way, drag it. Drag it.
वो बम्बई वाला था ना, क्या नाम था? रॉकी। जिस पे राज करने, जिस पे राज करने, इस विराट में कुचल के आगे बढ़े। उसे केजीएफ बेचा था।
You can see here almost my 60-second video is already ready now. I will click here, okay. And I'll click here next. If you want to change the sound, you can place your sound, another sound also. In this way you can select the sound also. Here's the list of sound. You can place any sound. Otherwise, if you don't want to change the sound, you can just push here next. Okay. Now place here details of the video. What subject you want to give. Like I will give here KGF. Okay. And I'll give a S. Love. Love. Okay, and I'll upload. You can see a 1-minute video. It's uploading to shorts video. Thank you. In this way you can upload up to 60-second shorts video. Please subscribe for more information. Thank you.